In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to plot this dice roll simulation within Python. We can start off here by doing sums equals random.randint. We're going to do 1 to 6. We're going to add that to random.int, and we're going to do for I in range 1 million. We could run that, and that's going to simulate 1,000,000 dice rolls. Now we can come down one more time, and now we're going to do our plots. We're going to do plt.hist sums bins equals range 2 to 14, as that's the range of our outcomes. And we could align equals left and put that in quotes. And our edge color is going to equal black. We can come down one more line and we can do plt.x label and our y label. We can title this. And we can set our range of x ticks. And lastly, we could show our chart. And now we have our dice roll distribution. Now you can see we get an even distribution due to the law of large numbers here. But if we shrink this down just even to 100, you can see this might not be the case. We might have a little bit more skewed of a distribution. But the larger we go, the more even it becomes. Now that's how you can do a dice roll distribution simulation in Python, and I hope that helps.